Mauricio coming to you guys live, and today's session we're going to be talking about twin trading. Okay, what exactly is twin trading and how do you perform this in the charts? Okay, so one thing I am going to go through is twin trading, teach you guys exactly what it is, how to implement in the charts, and how to implement it on your trades. Okay, so let's say we're on an uptrend. Okay, I want to show you guys exactly how it's done on images, and then later on I'll show you guys exactly how it's done on the charts itself. Okay, so let's say we are on an uptrend, the market's going up, it's going down, and so on. Okay, so we're seeing that the market's actually doing retracements. We're seeing this. This is probably like a 50-point Fibonacci level retracement. 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. Perfect. So it came out to a 38.2 Fibonacci level retracement. We saw our price action. We saw everything that's indicating us for us to actually buy into. Okay. So this here is twin trading. I'm gonna be putting a buy position in this area. Okay. I put in a buy position in this area. Same coordinates that we usually do. We're gonna be doing the 2-to-1 ratio on this one. We're gonna be doing 2-to-1 ratio. So therefore, here, let me move this up a little bit. Perfect. Okay. So 2-to-1 ratio, we would say we are risking about 15 pips. Perfect. We're risking about 15 pips, and then we are risking, sorry, we are gaining 30 pips. Okay. So this right here is a 2-to-1 ratio. Now, we implement this trade, and we do see that the market's going up. But now, twin trading, it takes another position. Okay, it takes another trade. Okay, so twin trading involves two trades at the same time. Okay, so we did put this trade in, but at the same time we did this, we put in another one. Okay, so we actually put in another trade in. So let me see if I can actually clone this right here. Clone. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so we actually put in another position, same trade, same stop loss, same take profit, same everything. Okay, so we entered two trades. This right here is twin trading. So one is going to be 30 pip take profit, and the other one, yes, it does say 30 pips, but this other one has no take profit. Okay, this one's infinite. Leave it like that. No take profit, but you do put a stop loss. Okay, so both of them have a stop loss. One has a take profit, and the other one does not have no take profit. This other one is like it never existed. Okay, you're gonna let that one run, and that's how you're gonna actually adapt from being a scalper to intraday trader to a swing trader to a position trader. Okay, now this is one of the strategies that I used to actually implement my trade from $300 to $31,000 in 5 weeks. Okay, so if I was able to do it with this system, I know you will be able to do it as well. The only thing that requires is discipline, patience, and a lot of patience. Okay, so let's get to it. Right now we did place two trades. Let's say this one hit our take profit, correct? Okay, it came up, it hit our take profit. Boom, hits our take profit. Right when it hits our take profit, what happens? This trade right here, the one that keeps on running, we have no take profit, but we do have a stop loss. So what's gonna happen? We're gonna move this stop loss to break even. We're actually gonna move it 5 pips above break even. Okay, 5 pips above break even. Remember that we're putting the stop loss 5 pips above break even once our previous trade has been closed out. Now, once we do see that, we're going to keep on doing the same thing. We're going to keep doing twin trading. So whenever we see more trades, we're going to be doing the exact same thing. But this here is twin trading. So this here helps you adapt to the market so you can actually catch one scalp that was primarily a scalp that turned into intraday trade, then turned into scalp, and then turned into position trade. Okay. Now, let's say if you had a take profit of 30 pips, it went up 30 pips, one hit the take profit, took you out. This one, you're moving your stop loss to 5 pips even, and you're just going to be trailing your stop loss. Okay, you're going to see the market move up, do its retracements. Every time it does retracement, you're going to move up your stop loss to that new structure area, and you're going to be following the market, and that way you're actually incrementing your chances on improving on profits. Okay, you're gaining more profits with you obviously not thinking about it due to the fact that you were only in one for one trade, but now you put two trades, one hit your take profit, your count just grew a little bit, and now you have some floating leverage. Now, floating leverage is what took me especially to that $31,000 K, okay? $31,000 day, month, sorry. So, I will teach you guys exactly how that works, floating leverage, alongside with trend trading and alongside with proper risk management, okay? So that itself is what took me to that area. And I want to show you guys exactly how it is that I did it so you guys can do it as well. It's something very powerful. I have not seen anybody do twin trading with floating leverage, which is something that I've been implementing across the time I've been learning due to the fact that I always want to maximize my profits and minimize my losses. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to utilize my floating leverage, okay? So therefore, this is twin trading. We're going to go more in deep with twin trading alongside with floating leverage on the next videos. So therefore, I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Till later. Bye.